back to another video. You are watching Phones on .ua with me, Karishma, and today we are going to talk about none other than Nokia 5800 out here. Talking about Nokia 5800 out there, this is an Express Music out here. Yes, this phone, the name itself suggests that it is an Express Music, and it was in the mid of 20s. We can say not in the early, not in very late, but in the mid of 20s, it was released out there having a different kind of a look because it was a different look the phone out here. If you see the look out there, then you will see that it is a touch type variant out there. Yes, it's a touch type variant, and you will get to see that it has got TFT resistance touch screening. Yes, TFT resistance touch screening with 3.2 inches screen. You will get to see a good screening out here. Along with that, you will get to see that this variant, this phone out there, the Nokia's, we can see the Nokia models out there had something with the touch phone that the operating system earlier was not Android operating system out there. They had a different operating system. The same happens with this variant too. Talking about the expandability, it has got 8 GB expandable storage capacity because internal storage capacity is just 81 MB and 128 MB RAM out there. So we can see expandability was required out there. Offering a single camera, yes, a single camera out there, you get to see that it has got 3.15 megapixel camera out there. Yes, 3.15 megapixel camera could be seen in this variant. And when we talk about this variant, we can say the selfie camera introduced in this was just for the VGA purpose. That was mainly for the video call. That was not for any other thing. Basically इसलिए था ताकि connectivity जब इसमें आए, so that connectivity is introduced in this, and you can have a good kind of video calling out there. You do not miss out video callings out there. You can see that it has got Wi-Fi connectivity. Yes, it has got Wi-Fi connectivity out there. That's why I said the selfie camera was introduced just for video calling purpose and the connectivity purpose. 3.5 jack, Bluetooth, FM, everything could be seen out there. The plus point to this was that it had a photo editor too. Yes. Now this does not had only the multimedia option but a photo editing option too. Having a variety or a variant where it offers you approximately 5 hours talk time, yes, 5 to 4 hours, 4 hours for 2G and 5 hours for 3G variants because it offers you 1300 mAh battery, yes, 1300 mAh battery. So we can say it was a good variation out there because thing was it introduced a connectivity, a 3G or 4G. We can say you introduced connectivity, so that was the main thing out there. So we can say it has offered a good variety. So the pricing also varied out there. So we have got a site which is worth investing for this variant. And the site name is phonezone.ae. Yes, this is the site name which is phonezone.ae. Talking about this site has got n number of gadgets from these reputed companies out there. As well as this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget. Like I'm tapping Nokia out there, so this helps you to search your favorite gadgets. So the results are out. As you can see the results out there, we get to see this is the description box, and then this description box, all the specifications have been mentioned out there. And when we talk about this variant, we can see that this has got a condition written on the top. It is refurbished condition. So let us know about refurbished condition. Let us see how is it different from we can say brand new, whether the refurbished products are worth investing or not. So let us know about that, and so that we know about the product and the quality too. Talking about refurbished products and brand new products, we can say they are quite similar out there. Yes, when we talk about refurbished and brand new, like if we talk about refurbished products and when we talk about brand new products, they're quite similar. Why they are similar? Because we can see that the refurbished product is an extension to brand new. Like if we talk about the stages of this, then we can say brand new has a stage like company, the original base out there who has introduced a new phone or new gadget out in the market. Then it comes to the market. Yes, any agency, marketplace, retailers, anything, that's the market out there. then it goes to the users, the consumer out there. So this is brand new. Now extension to it becomes like the user already has that gadget. Now that's the gadget has been used out. Now that person does not want that, then it is again given back to the backend. It's not the reverse, it's the frontal market. It can be back also, but it's usually the frontal we say. So the market has it. Now this market tests, verifies, everything is like absolutely repacked and we can say it's like new, like not refurbished. We can say absolutely newly like. When it passes all the tests, then it is classified as refurbished, and the condition is named as refurbished. Now this refurbished product is again launched on the sites, on their specified sites where they have already pre-owned it, and then the user have this. Yes, then the new user uses it. This is known as refurbished. So we can say the extension from the user to user is known as refurbished products, or we can say this is the extension of brand new in this category. Now, when we talk about the similarities, we can say they have similarities in the parameters also. Like parameters which include in this are like the display out there, the buttons intactness, the colorization, the storage capacity, camera, video, audio, SIM recognition, connectivities out there, the data wiping out there, the accelerometer, proximeters out there, gyroscope out there. If it has loudspeakers, then how is it working? Charger, charging capacity, everything, whichever thing it is, like the operating system, processor out there, every kind of specification we read about a gadget, they have to be tested. And there are approximately 29 major parameters which have sub parameters also, how they are classified, how they are checked. So there are almost 29 parameters. When we talk about these 29 parameters, they have to pass each and every parameter to become certified. If it fails in one parameter, then the product is disqualified, or we can say is discontinued, or is not launched on the site out there. Now, when we are talking about this variant, when we are talking about this version out there, we can say that this kind of variants are quite good in quality. They have been tested out, they have been checked out every time, their quality is checked, so that it is absolutely renewed. Now, when we talk about this product, refurbished product, we can say that these products offers you a good quality, good service out there, so that it becomes a building block to you for people who cannot, at that time, cannot see their favorite gadgets in their pocket, but now can see. Now, when we talk about the advantages of having a refurbished product over a brand new, we can say that refurbished products offers you a savings. Yes, it offers you savings out there. How it offers you savings, we already know that brand new products are highly expensive out there when it's released. But when we talk about refurbished products, they are quite pocketable. Yes, these are quite profitable. So when we compare the pricing out there, there is a slight difference in the pricing. So you can save, really you can save up to 15 or 70, like you get to save a good amount of money. When we talk about the warranty period, yes, it is actually seen when we own a pre-owned phone, then the warranty period is not given out there. But there are sites which offers you 6 months warranty period, and this sites offer you 6 months warranty period out too. As well as you get to have 70 exchange policy. As we see in the brand new products, we have 1 year warranty and a few days replacement and guarantee out there. Same happens with it. 6 months warranty and 70 exchange policy could be seen out there. Now talking about this variant, now talking about this version out there, we can see that this variant is available out on our website. And so let us once again see the website first. Yes, let us once again see the website and check out whether these things are available on the site or not. So I have highlighted the name. The name has been highlighted, which you can Google. That is phoneson.ae, or you can go in the description box and see the link. I already told you that this site offers you 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy. So you can see that it offers you 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy out here. Addition to this, you get to see COD and free shipping also. Yes, COD and free shipping is also there. Shipping की बात करें, if you talk about shipping, then it takes around 48 hours for most of the parts of UAE, whereas it might take up to a week for Saudi. Yes, Saudi it might take up to a week. Now talking about the products, they are 100% original products, and not just that, you get to see n number of gadgets from the n reputed brands. Yes, if you see the list, there are reputed brands out here. This site, this search icon has an option for you to search a specified gadget out there. Yes, you can search a specified gadget out there. So for the best pricing, do visit out the website or call on our helpline number. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.